let's have a look on yaws eradication program. Yaws is a disfiguring and debilitating non-viral disease. It is highly infectious disease which is transmitted by direct or person-to-person contact. Skin shows early lesions which on healing so little scarring. Disease can be progressive, involving bone and cartilage and causing disability. So yours does not have extra human reservoir of infection and can be cured by a single injection of long-acting penicillin or benzyl. Generally, yours occur in remote, hilly and forest areas that have limited acceptability to healthcare services. So, for that to overcome over this disease condition, the government of India launched yaws eradication program. The eradication program was started in 1996-97, which is centrally sponsored health scheme. The objectives of yaws eradication programs is interrupting the transmission of yaws infection, means no case in the country. The second objective is eradication of yaws from the country, means no seroreactivity to VDRL test in children below 5 years of age from the country. Government of India, in that especially some states like government of Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, some of states have taken several initiatives for the interruption of infection by mass administration of single dose of penicillin in the affected areas. So your cells have been established in the division of epidemiology to coordinate all the activities regarding eradication of yaws disease conditions. Now we'll see the program strategies were used to eradicate the yaws disease condition, that is detection of cases and treatment of those cases as well as the contacts. Then manpower development through the training, proper training, then IEC activities involving multi-sectoral approach. Now how we can detect the cases? It was done by periodic house-to-house visits covering at least 90% population by paramedical workers, which is known as active case finding. Routine surveillance in the period between active case search and by investigating rumor reports of the cases from the population. Likewise, we have to find out the cases. Then we have to do a case management. The treatment of yaws is preferably by single dose of azithromycin. We are giving in a dose of 30 mg per kg body weight. We can give maximum of 2 grams. Or single intramuscular injections of benzathine penicillin also can be given. Doxycycline may be used in patients who are allergic to penicillin and azithromycin. So benzathine penicillin was used to eradicate yaws in India. Then IEC activities involving multi-sectoral approach to create the awareness among the population regarding this yaws disease condition and its symptoms, and encourage the community for reporting of any case of diseases occur, so that we can find out the cases and we can give proper treatment to them. Ultimately uh, we can reduce the disease transmission in the community area. So how the program is managing? The National Institute of Communicable Disease, that is NICD, has been identified as the nodal agency for planning, guidance, coordination and monitoring and evaluation of this whole program. The program is implemented by the State Health Directorate of Yaws endemic states, utilizing existing healthcare delivery system with the coordination and collaboration of Department of Tribal Welfare and other related institutions. The Directorate General of Health Services, Ministry of Health forms the task force to coordinate and review this program. This is how the whole yaws eradication program is implementing. There is no case reported after 2003 after the implementation of these strategies. No new yaws cases has been reported. Then the zero incidents were validated by the experts during third and fourth independent appraisal of yaws eradication program and task force on yaws eradication program under the chairmanship of Directorate General of Health Services. The Government of India also recommended for the declaration of yaws elimination in 2006. Accordingly, on September 19th, 2006, the Government of India declared elimination of yaws from the country. So yaws has been already eradicated. Now the Government of India has given some post yaws elimination activities. About okay, there are three activities given by Government of India. These are new three activities. First is Zero Survey among children aged 1 to 5 years. Then, why? To assess the cessation of transmission of infection for 3 to 5 years. Then second is rumor reporting. If there is any rumor regarding yaws eradication, then reporting should be there, and we have to find out the cases as soon as possible. Then third is investigation and case incentive schemes to encourage the voluntary reporting of the cases by the community. So there are some incentive schemes are also Government of India is giving, so that there should be no any cases in the country, so the yaws can be eradicated from the India. So this is what about the programs, that is National Yaws Eradication Program.